Hello, welcome back. In today's video, let us understand about equivalent ratios. Here, equivalent ratios means are the different ways of expressing same comparison between numbers. It can be achieved by multiplying or even by dividing. So, two ratios that have the same value when expressed in their lowest terms are known as equivalent ratios. See here, for example, 2:5, it is in lowest term itself. Here it is mentioned that 4:10 is also equivalent to 2:5. How? Means 4:10 means when you bring it down to lowest term, it will be like 2, 2 times is 4 and 2, 5 times is 10. So the lowest term, lowest form of 4:10 is nothing but 2:5. Again, 6:15. 6:15. Here also again when you bring down to its lowest ratio, it will be 3 2s are 6 and 3 5s are 15. Right? So again 6:15, lowest term is 2:5. So we can say here 2:5 is equivalent to 4:10. Similarly, 2:5 is equivalent to 6:15. So here all these are equivalent ratios because they both show the same proportion of the 2 to 3, right? Here, equivalent ratios are reduced to lowest terms by dividing each number in the ratio by their highest common factor. Look at the first example here. 2:3 is equivalent to 4:6 because both simplify to 2:3 itself. See, 2 times is 4 and 3 times is 6. So, 4:6 is equivalent to 2:3. Look at one more example. 5:8 is equivalent to 10:16. Here, because both simplify to 5:8. See here, 2 5 times is 10 and 2 8 times is 16. So, 5:16 is nothing but 5:8 when we bring down to its lowest ratio, correct? So, 10:16 is equivalent to 5:8 or 5:8 is equivalent to 10:16. Similarly, 3:4 is equivalent to 6:8 because both simplify to 3:4. See here, when you simplify 6:8, to 3s are 6 and to 4s are 8. Again, it is simplified to 3:4 itself. Yes. So, here 6:8 is equivalent to 3:4. Similarly, 1:2 is equivalent to 3:6. See, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. So, 3:6 is equivalent to 1:2. One more example. 7:9 is equivalent to 14:18 because they both simplify to 7:9. Yes. So 2 sevens are is 14 and 2 nines are is 18. Right. So it is simplified to 7:9. It cannot be further simplified. Right. So here 14:18 is equivalent to 7:9. Now tell me the equivalent ratio for 2:3. Yes, both has to be multiplied by the same factor. It could be 2 by 3 if you write like this. 2 times and 2 times. 3 2 times. So 2 times 2 is 4 and 3 2 times is 6. So 4:6 is equivalent ratio of 2:3, or even you can write 4 by 6 into 2 into 2. Now 8, 4 2 times is 8 and 6 2 times is 12. So you can also say 8:12 is equivalent to 2:3. Now when you bring down this 8:12 to its lowest form, it will be 2:3 itself. Now see here, 4 2 times is 8 and 4 3 times is 12. So 2:3, right? So this is how we can find out the equivalent ratio, either by multiplying by the same factor or by dividing. Here is one more question. Give 4 equivalent ratios of 5:7. You have to give 4 equivalent ratios. So here for 5:7. So 5:7 we'll write one below the other. Okay. Now 5 will multiply both the numbers with 2. 5 2 times is 10 and 7 2 times is 14. So 5:7 is equivalent ratio to 10:14. Right? Similarly, we have to write 4 equivalent ratios. So here 5:7, if you multiply with 3, factor 3, it will be 5 3 times 15 and 7 3 times is 21. So when you multiply by 3, it will be 5:7, nothing but equivalent ratio is 15:21. Similarly, 5 by 7 into, we'll multiply with 5. Okay. So 5 5 times is 25 and 7 5 times is 35. So 5:7 equivalent fraction 25:35. Next, one more we have to find, that is 5 by 7 into 10 will do now. 10. So it will be 5 10 times will be 50 and 7 10 times will be 70. So 5:7 equals 50:70. Now if you simplify these ratios, means you will be getting the simplest form as 5:7 itself. See, 5 2 5 times and 2 7 times is 5:7 itself. Again here 3 5 times and 3 7 times will be 5:7. 5 5 times and 5 7 times is 5:7. Similarly, 10 5 times and 10 7 times is 70. Right? So again the simplest form is 5:7 itself. So here 5:7 is equivalent ratio to 10:14. Similarly, 5:7 is also equivalent ratio to 15:21. Similarly, 5:7 is also equivalent ratio to 25:35 and 5:7 is also equivalent ratio to 50:70. Like this, you can go on finding the equivalent ratios by multiplying both the numbers with the same factor. Here is one more question. Find the missing number in 11:15 equals what is to 135. Now 11 by 15. 15 into what equals 135? Yes, 15 into 9 equals 135. So here also, in the numerator place also, we have, it is 11, that should also be multiplied with 9. So here 11 9 times equals 99. Yes, so 11:15 equals 99:135. So students, I hope you have understood the concept of equivalent ratios. Thanks for watching and keep supporting